Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya. And today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women. Many much more ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut, eye-catching ideas of hair dye, and very attractive overall collection. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance, some ideas, fine hairstyle, and so beautiful collection of messy hairstyles. And a very attractive collection of spiky hairstyle. And so attractive ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. And so attractive ideas of highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. And different collection of low maintenance hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I'll come with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I'll wait. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll start back. With new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.